Please stop throwing away rice water at home. Most people pour it down the drain without realizing that it can become a powerful organic fertilizer for plants. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an organic composite fertilizer using just 1 jug of rice water. This method is simple, natural, and very effective. Once you learn this, you won't need to spend money on expensive chemical fertilizers anymore. Before we continue, please like this video and save it so you can easily come back to it whenever your plants need help. Now let's begin. First, take 1 jug of rice water. Make sure it is plain rice water with no salt and no oil added. Next, add 2 crushed eggshells. Eggshells provide calcium, which helps strengthen plant roots and prevents weak growth. Now add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. This helps break down the eggshells and releases calcium into the solution. After that, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Brown sugar feeds beneficial microorganisms and improves soil activity. Mix everything well. Cover the jug loosely and place it in a warm area. Allow this mixture to ferment for 1 hour. After 1 hour, your organic composite fertilizer is ready. If your seedlings are yellow, weak, or growing slowly, this fertilizer can help a lot. Apply it twice and you will notice your vegetable plants developing lush, thick, and healthy green leaves. Did you find this tip useful? Follow the channel for more daily tips on organic gardening and natural plant care.